Cons of buying a fixer-upper. Let's find out. Expensive renovations. Depending on the renovations, you may end up barely breaking even or spending more money on a fixer-upper. Difficult budgeting. While you can run the numbers and estimate how much your renovations will cost, it's almost impossible to come to an accurate figure. Surprise costs will always pop up. Unexpected issues. Even if you get an inspection, unexpected issues will almost always arise, especially if the house is older. Long term construction. Unless you live somewhere else while you're renovating your fixer upper, you'll have to live in a construction zone for as long as it takes to complete your renovations. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.
My name is Sheila Lavadia, and you can always reach us at sheila@sheilalavadia.com or loanteam@sheilalavadia.com. You can also reach us at 425 218 5534.